spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I can understand. Yes, I am.
So every day I spend my time drinking wine, feeling fine, waiting here to find the sign that I should take it slow.
Welcome to Waterford Diamond Tower, out here in the near center of Bangkok, Thailand, where we're paying $4K a month for our condo right now. And in the video, I'm just gonna walk you guys through, give you guys a quick full tour of the entire place. We're gonna walk through the lobby, show you guys the restaurant, the pool, the amenities, and everything in between. We're paying like $4K a month, and in my opinion, this is definitely the best deal I've had over the last 3 or 4 apartments that I've lived in, compared to the price, the location, the views, the amenities, and everything in between. So follow me, guys, to start off in the lobby. It's very convenient. We have like a convenience store right down the stairs, as well as we have Elite Fight Club, which is right in this building as well. So if we want to train Muay Thai, we want to hit the gym, hit the pool, and the restaurant, it's all in one place. We don't have to walk anywhere outside of the building to get every single thing that we need. So let's go ahead and dive in, guys. Start off with the lobby. Right here, we have the convenience store, which is very convenient. You can get everything you need. We got water, milk, protein, all that type of stuff. We have the Thai bin over here. Let's walk in. And we even have an ATM, so we don't have to go to like 7-Eleven or somewhere far away. It's literally right in the lobby of our building, which is pretty rare out here in Bangkok. Vending machine. Thai bin right here, the famous one. We can order coffees and play games while you're waiting. We have another vending machine right there. Pick up our packages here. And then for the bigger stuff that we get from Lazada, like the whiteboard, the desk, and all that type of stuff, it'll be in that area. Yeah, that's pretty much it for the lobby. Just a convenience store, ATM, a few vending machines, delivery. But let's go ahead up to the gym, the restaurant, and show you guys the pool. Kanya, how do you like living here so far?
I don't want to be on your video.
Okay, I'll blur your face like pixels and stuff. 0 out of 10, what would you rate it?
8.
8? Okay, it's 8. Why an 8? Why not a 2?
First, I can't smoke. Second, the elevator take forever. And it's beat me. It's eat me, the elevator.
You're eating in the elevator though.
Yeah.
Isn't that good? Yeah, she means like the elevator doors, they closed on her.
Yeah, they eat me.
Yeah, they eat. The elevator just gets
I'm not saying I can't eat in the elevator.
Okay, what else makes it good though? Like, why is it good?
The room. That's it. Oh, and I cut one point off because the building looks like so creepy, like it's haunted or something.
Yeah, that's true. But we do have like a very high-end room. We're on the wrong floor.
Wrong floor. Bye.
Alright guys, right here we have the gym, the restaurant, the pool. I think that's pretty much it. You have a sauna and ice bath as well. 500 baht a day, not a problem. But to your right, that's the Elite Fight Club. Don't really go there. They have the Muay Thai gym there, the weights. Right here. Very convenient restaurant right in our building. They have like all the high protein foods that you need, very good quality, very cheap as well. We actually have 2 pools in the building. We have one right here, then one on the 34th floor, which is very cool. I think this one's definitely a lot better because the one on the 34th floor has like a roof on top of it, so you can't really tan. I've actually never gone over here. Let's go check it out. Oh my goodness. I haven't felt the sun in like a week. The rainy season has been pretty bad recently. Haven't seen the sun in quite a few days. Being able to finally get some vitamin D to acquire some tests. Absolute game changer. But yeah, this is like the only place we can tan in the building. Got these little tanning beds right here. We got an obstacle course right here. We're gonna jump down these stacks. And then you can just lay down and soak up the sun right here. Oh my god, that's hot. Don't sit on that, guys. You need to get that thing clean off.
Bro, you almost hit the cactus, bro.
Cactus?
Yeah, you almost hit the cactus.
We're in Texas. Yeah, soaking up the sun. Yeah, once the rainy season is over, this is going to be the place to be, to come like every single morning to level up the test and feel good, look good, make more money, and yeah, just living in a place like this with killers, people all on the same path with the same goals. It's just an absolute game changer than just living alone or living and hanging around people that really aren't on the same path. Because then, let's just say your goal is to hit 10K a month and you're hanging around people who are only doing 1K a month activities, you're gonna be stuck at 1K a month, because it's a very cliche saying, but you are the average of the 5 people you hang around. So if you're hanging around 5 losers, it's gonna be very likely that you're gonna be a loser yourself. But if you're hanging around 5 people making 10K, 50K, 100K a month, then it's very likely and inevitable that you'll be reaching those markers yourself. Yeah, enough of the pool, guys. It's very swimmable right now. I might come down and swim after this video, but let's go up to the room and showcase the banger condo. Boom.
Metro don't trust you, I'm gonna shoot you.
Can't they cash through the week? On the Tesla, I can't go to sleep. I cover the body with C's. I'm copping the drip overseas. I like when she get on her knees. I'm rocking these Vita on jeans. I need me a fat ass to squeeze. I promise I look like a king. I told you we all about the cream. My bag is 100 or more. I got the cash off.
No shoes allowed. Thai culture. We got our boxing gloves right here for whenever we're feeling like losing a few brain cells naturally. And as you can see, DJ Bomber signed these ones out in Hua Hin. We got these for free. We were literally buying a 4-inch substance, and I told him about like I did Muay Thai, and then he just went up, stood up on his chair, reached up to the top shelf, grabbed these they're like very new, very high quality boxing gloves, and just gave them to me after he signed them. So whenever I do get into my first fight, hopefully I'm able to wear these to represent DJ Bomber. But yeah, let's go ahead and walk in across the room. We got a lot of storage right here. We put our shoes here. Obviously the box gloves there, and here, right when you walk in, is my room. Let me make sure Kanye's not naked. Alright, all good. Bed is made. But yeah, sleep right here. Do the cardio right there. We got the closet space right there. Very exquisite view, if I do say so myself. Got the bathroom there, where Kanye is right now. You're just waking up and sleeping to this view. It's an absolute game changer compared to my old place, where I was just looking at the highway. But here you can look at the beautiful city skyline of Bangkok. This is like right in the middle, as I told you guys. So just being right in the middle and seeing all the very, very tall buildings, it's just very cool indeed, compared to just looking at the highway. So let's continue on with the tour. Right here, right when we walk out, parallel or across from my room is the laundry room. So whenever the clothes get full in the basket, they just somehow get cleaned. I'm not quite sure who does the cleaning, maybe a Santa Claus, but the clothes always just clean themselves and end up back in my closet, which is a very interesting thing about this condo. Maybe, I don't know what it could be. And right here is Rom's bathroom / everyone's bathroom. Sorry, Rom, if I've taken a shit in your bathroom a little bit, but yeah, very, very nice bathroom, very modern. It's got very nice marble walls, got a shower, bathroom, pretty much all you need to do every single activity that you need to do with the bathroom. And then right here to your left, this is my workstation. I took a call this morning, and guys, with remote sales, it's very important that you have good lighting, which I spent I think like $200, almost actually like $400 on these lights. Got a very nice mic, very nice chair, a desk that goes up and down, so that way if I'm getting tired, sluggish, I can just stand up and take sales calls. So that way, I just think like when you're standing up, you get a little bit of an energy boost, because like you can't ever really fall asleep standing up. Then we got a whiteboard right here where we're going over our goals, our daily non-negotiables. Right now, my goal for the day was making a condo tour, so we're checking that off the list right now as I'm making this video for you guys. And then right here, we have Rom's room. He has like the Alex Hormozy room, no distractions, no windows. He can completely lock in on the charts, sales calls, whatever he's doing. And right here is where we eat. At my old place, we had no type of kind of dining place to eat whatsoever. We just ate in the bed, ate on the couch. It was very inconvenient. But here, whenever we order food, we can literally just sit here and eat it, which is very cool. First time I've ever even had a dining table out here in Bangkok, which is an absolute game changer. Then following that, we have the fridge. If you guys want to take a quick peek, we have the goods. Woo-hoo, look at that, guys. We have the snus that will last us until Christmas. And guys, I don't max out on the snus as much as I used to, because I used to do like maybe 5 to 10 a day to maybe even a whole pack a day. I've toned it down a little bit and maybe do like 1 or 2 a day, so that way I'm not spamming it and overindulging, frying my dopamine receptors. I'm just doing it maybe after dinner, or like when I want to do something fun. Good old snus will get the job done. And then Ram, he brought something called raw beef liver. And I tried it for the first time this morning, and I'm actually feeling it right now, even though I got like 4 hours of sleep. Ram just says to cut off a little sliver and swallow it, and you get every single bit of nutrients that you need in order to succeed. You get a little bit of a buzz, energy boost. You just feel a lot better, get a little bit more energy. So shout out to Ram for the suggestion. Plus Ram got this ginger, turmeric, apple cider vinegar juice, which is like worse than alcohol drinking, to be completely honest. But same thing as the liver, it just elevates your frequency to the max. But then yeah, other than that, we have Abu, our little Indian who's sleeping on the couch right there. He's staying here for the next 15 to 20 days till he has to go back home to India, but he just edits Jake's videos, whose room is right there. We're not gonna go in there. We don't wanna interrupt him, whatever he's doing right now. But then we have Abu's workstation, where he edits Jake's videos. Look at Jake. Look at Jake. Woo-hoo. Jake is locked in. Be out here. I think this is one of my most favorite parts, is the balcony. It's my first walkout balcony I've ever had. That's like pretty big, because I've had like one balcony at the line, but this one's just an absolute game changer. Like, look how big it is. I just come out here in the mornings, I read, meditate, maybe make some reels, and just being able to breathe in the moderate fresh air sometimes, it's very beautiful, very grounding, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much it. But this is also a very interesting part about the place. Let's watch this. Ready? Whoop. Look at that. That's some high-tech 2070. The year 2070, this is like from the future. Just like a little air thing. So whenever you're cooking 10 eggs, just put that thing on, and you're good to go to not smell up the place, especially when Kanye is eating hot pot. But yeah, other than that, guys, I think that's pretty much everything about the room. But I suggest, if you do want to live this type of lifestyle where you're able to live wherever you want, live anywhere you want in terms of like the quality of the condo that you're able to live in, learn sales. It doesn't have to be remote sales starting off, but at least go learn the most important skill ever since the dawn of humanity. People have been selling things, whether it be a rock for a little slab of meat, or they're selling themselves on their friends or their coworkers or their bosses on getting the job. You've been using the skill your entire life, but learn the skill of sales and find the right vehicle that's able to drive you to where you want to go. Like for myself, I've always wanted this life to be able to live in Thailand or anywhere else in the world, and to be able to make money wherever I go. And the only vehicle that I found possible to get there that's not scamming people, that's not a complete waste of time or you're losing your soul, is remote sales. Because all you're doing is just becoming the middleman in this digital gold rush that we're living in day in and day out. Where there are these influencers, coaches, mentors, they're day trading, doing crypto, e-commerce, whatever it may be. There's an abundance of different niches that people are selling for. And then they obviously are only one person. And they have thousands or hundreds of thousands of people that want to learn directly from these people on how to day trade, how to learn crypto, how to start an e-com store. And with these people only being one person, they can't handle all of these people. So us as remote salesmen, for myself, I'm a remote closer, you literally are just standing right in the middle from the influencer and his or her audience. And then you're just solving problems and providing the solution, which is their mentorship on just helping people change their lives. Now, of course, it does take a lot of time, effort. Nothing is easy in terms of like being able to become successful or traveling the world, making money online. None of it is easy. If it was easy, everyone would be doing it. And the reason I've been able to get to this point and why so many other people have inside of Living Unchained is because they took a calculated risk towards the dreams that they want and putting in the work each and every single day until they could get their desired result. So if you guys do want to learn exactly how to do this, to be able to learn sales and to find these gold mine offers able to help you make at least $5,000 a month anywhere in the world, after this video, there'll be a video in the top right on a full appointment setting masterclass on how you can learn the skill of sales, how to find the right gold mine offer, and how to be able to input that skill into making your first $5,000 online. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for the run. We're gonna go down to the 34th floor and show you guys the second pool, and then we'll end the video there. So I'll see you guys down there. We're now at the second pool on the 34th floor. It has a nice little walk-in garden area. Pretty cool pool, no tanning whatsoever, but you know, if you want to get some laps in, we're doing a challenge right now. We have to get at least 10,000 steps in every single day. So if we're behind near the end of the day and we don't want to walk around Nana Plaza or any other degenerate place, we don't want to look at the massage girls, and we just want to have peace of mind while we're walking, we can just do a few laps around here to round up to 10,000 steps. Here we got the pool right there. Nothing special. It's not a rooftop pool where you're like at the infinity pool where you're just, the edge is it, and you're just looking over the city. That's not how it is. It's just like a pool right here in between the floors. But yeah, the garden is actually pretty cool. It's you get a little bit of oxygen intake into the system while you're walking around. But it literally it's the exact same as you guys can see right there. It's the same thing all around. So I'm kind of lazy right now. I don't want to walk all the way around, but that's pretty much it for the condo, guys. It's like $4K a month, 3 bed, 3 bath. And as you guys saw from the video previous to the last one where we were looking for the condos, it's actually a crazy story because we were at the first one that we were looking at that was like absolutely insane. It had like multiple balconies, very high ceilings. If you guys remember, it was like 120,000 baht a month. We were literally there about to sign the contract to lock it in. And keep in mind that this place has been trying to sell, like actually sell the whole entire place for 2 years. Right when we were about to sign the contract and lock it in, the agent gets a call and it just got sold. Literally an hour before we were about to sign the contract to lock it in. So it's absolutely crazy. You know, the stars aligned. That place wasn't meant to be. And then right after that, the agent said he had something under his sleeve, showed us this place, and immediately we were sold and signed the contract a few days later and then moved in. And now we're fully moved in. We got the lights, the desk, everything set up. So now all that's left is to grind, make sales, shoot YouTube content, make reels, whatever it is, go to the gym, read books, meditate, all that type of stuff that you do when you're making money online. That's all we're gonna do. And very soon, signing up for my first boxing fight, and I just need to figure out how. That's the main bottleneck, but I have a friend who knows what's it called, like a promoter, and we'll get that sorted very, very soon. So keep in touch, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Cap.